We are Kamper. For more than 3 generations, we have focused on producing quality and building to last. From hotels, sanatoriums, and sophisticated residential builds to breathing new life into existing properties, Kamper is a general contractor that can meet all your needs. Our skills and expertise are built on more than half a century of company history. We can conceptualize, develop, and create ideas, your ideas and projects. The initial outline goes through a complex process where it is shaped, adapted, and optimized. Kamper turns visions into reality. We channel our imagination, innovation, and vision to create national and international projects. Constant development means we harness all the synergies within our company. The result is precision in every step we take. We never lose sight of the big picture, so we pay just as much attention to the tiniest component as to a networked modern building. This ensures that creative plans become high-quality innovations that are built to last. And speaking of innovative technology, building information modeling lets you take a virtual tour of your building, making it easy for you to assess risks, estimate resources, and evaluate costs. Our experienced team of industry professionals will be at your side throughout your construction project to coordinate all the key trades and skills that are involved. Once your concept has become reality, you'll have space for fresh ideas. And we look forward to maintaining a collaborative relationship with you in the long term. Technology that is in keeping with the times for experiences that are timeless. Today's world is set in architecture from the past. Adapting and updating established concepts is a complex process that requires a unique degree of sensitivity and finesse, aiming to blend contemporary functionality and technology with a modern outlook. The Kamper team will be at your side, from concept through to a quality inspection, ensuring that your project is completed successfully. We meet all your needs. That is more than simply a motto. It is what we aspire to, our aspiration and our promise. Working together means we deliver 100% of the synergies from our tradespeople. We put our skills, expertise, and experience to work for your benefit.